Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. My name is Jason Lopez. My channel is going to be about how to fix cars from mechanical issues to electronic issues and all the way to body work. In today's video we're going to work on a 2008 BMW 545i and we're going to be replacing the fuel detention pump. I know a lot of people have been asking for this video and there's a lot of research and questions about how to replace this. So just follow me, let's bring the car in. Many of you guys might be wondering why we're replacing this fuel pump. The reason why we're doing it is because the check engine light come on. Anyways, I was going to show you, we're going to scan the car and we're going to show you what kind of code we're getting. The first thing you need to do if you haven't used one of these scanners, you get a key, you get the scanner out, you get it ready. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug it. Okay, all right, so we got it in place now. We already know the check engine light is on, so we're gonna scan the system. So now here it is. If you can see, we had a code found 1, so we're gonna click OK. We're gonna check the first, there's actually 2 modules in this car. We're gonna check the first module and it says what it says, read codes. We're gonna see storage code, there's nothing in that one. Pending codes, there's nothing on that one. So we're gonna escape and we're gonna move to the next module. And then we do the same thing with read codes, store codes. Okay, here it is right there. Evaporating emission system leak detention pump control circuit high. Either the gas cap is leaking, meaning the gas cap is already worn down and it's leaking it's leaking air. So the gas is actually evaporating little by little from the tank. So, and that would be the cheapest thing to start. In this car, we already did that. We already replaced the gas cap. We can go around the car. We can show. If you can see, we come over here. We replaced. This is a brand new gas cap. Okay. Actually, the other one was pretty old and pretty bad. So it was a good idea. We replaced it anyways. I'll just go ahead and order the new pump, and that's what today's video is about. We're gonna replace the pump. Okay. So just follow me. The fuel detention pump is on the passenger rear side, which is right here behind this quarter panel. So in order for us to get to that, we had to jack out the car and we had to remove this tire. We will have to remove this cover right here, which is like the quarter panel liner, and the pump should be up there. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this cover. We have these little bolts. I think we have like these little ones. They're like 5/16. Then you just have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you have one that is actually a 10 that you have to also remove there. It's more like a nut. It's not like a bolt. Okay, so I already removed all of that, and we're gonna try to remove. I'm not sure if we're gonna have to remove the whole liner, since it's a whole, just one piece. The whole thing goes around. It's one piece, but I think to work better and cleaner, let's go ahead and remove the whole thing. The liner is finally out over here. As you can see, the pump is right there. The new one that we ordered. I have to get this canister down. That way we can have a better access from that pump, and we can replace it really quick. Okay? This canister. And now it's gonna give us a little bit more space to work. Okay, so that one gives us a little bit more space. We're gonna go ahead and unplug let me reset this light right here so you can see better what we're doing. You guys can see better. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unplug this. That will be the actual pump that we are replacing. Okay, Now we have way better access for this pump to come out. Okay. All right. So you have one big hose. It's like a breather hose, and you have that connects right there. The other part optional connects to the canister, and then right. Okay. So now we got this main hose out here. That's the breather hose. That's most likely where we're getting the signal to the ECU, the main computer of the car. So we got everything else. So it looks like we just have only these three Allen keys bolts, and I think that's it. And we can just put all this back together. Okay, so we're gonna remove these three right here, which should be pretty easy. Get that one loose. One loose. This last one is gonna loose now. This is the new gas pump. You know, the tension leak pump, okay? Just don't get it confused with the gas pump that goes inside the gas tank. This one is just detecting if there's any leak, any evaporating gases out to the environment, okay? So if this thing is failing in your car, you most likely won't pass the state inspection, okay? So what we do, we're just gonna swap out this. This is the old one. This is the new one. I guess the only thing we had to reuse is this rubber thing right here. And the new one don't come up with. So let's get it out. Okay. Just trying to clean it out a little bit. Just put it right here. Okay. And let's put it back. Let's put it back together. Okay, so you got this. Go. It's back in place.
Now screw back in.
Yep. I actually got smarter this time than using the drill, which would be way better. Instead of be using the Allen key that it was kind of giving me a hard time. Now we are putting this back really quick. There you go. You know, electrical cleaner. You can pick up one of these from the power store. Really easy. Make sure the plug is clean. Okay. Let's put it back. Okay. That's good. forget to put the lines back in here. Just make sure this line is not damaged anywhere. And then we just put it back in place. Okay. So the whole main hose is connected. The pump is connected to the canister. And the plug is all the way down too. Everything looks okay, so I don't think we should have any problems after this. And as you can see, guys, we now have completed the installation of the new pump. We already took the canister down. We removed the hole here. We replaced it. It comes with 3 Allen key bolts right here that we took out and put back. We kind of clean out where the electrical connector goes in, and then we also clean the connector with the electrical cleaner, which is right here. And after we finish everything, we inspect every single line, and everything looks okay to me. So it's time to put the liner back, which we have it over there, and that should be it. So let's stay with us, and let's finish the whole thing. We bring the car down, and we recheck the computer with the scanner and make sure that the check engine light is gone. Okay. Alright guys, so the fender liner is back the way it was in place. I have a lot of little screws and everything that I already showed you guys. And this right in the bottom has 3 screws, which are there. They are also the same size as the others. You just have to get them out from underneath. And then the whole liner is back in place. And let's put the wheel back. And that should be it. And then okay, guys. One final thing I would like to let you know, guys, the kind of tools that you need to do this job. Obviously, you need a jack. You need one of these to to remove the wheel. Well, you actually don't need one of these. You can just get one of those other manual ones. But it's definitely better to use the air gun for it. And then you use if you want to do it faster, you need one of these. Let me show you. 5/16, and then you need a 10. Okay, you need one of these clipper removers to remove this clip down there. You need one of these 10 just to make sure that it's tight enough. You can use also this Allen key to remove those 3 little bolts that are on the pump. And I recommend you guys to use the electrical cleaner. And that's it. That's all you need, and probably half an hour of your time. All right, guys. So we done. We replaced the pump. As you can see, we connect the scanner and we reset the light, the check engine light. The car is being on for a while now. The check engine lights haven't come back yet. It used to come back right away every time we reset it. So now we're just gonna drive it for a little bit just to make sure that the check engine light is not coming back at all. And if it doesn't come back, I mean, that was it. And the car is fixed. Well, guys, this video is coming to an end. As you can see, we drove all the way to Sonic, which is around, I would say maybe around 8 miles from our house. The check engine light haven't come back yet. We used to reset it, and it used to come back right away. As soon as we restart the car, we will come back. Obviously this time it haven't come back yet, and it's just because the problem is being fixed, and it was actually the pump that was already defective. So just comment down below and subscribe for our new channel. We will have new videos coming in soon. Thank you guys for watching.